Every day, electrical systems are faced with a hidden threat: partial discharges. Although these electrical faults may be small, their impact is no less significant. If left unchecked, they can lead to serious degradation of electrical systems and even human injuries. The CRYSOUND Acoustic Imager is capable of detecting partial discharges, even at great distances. Its intelligent features help identify exactly the type of fault being encountered, enhancing maintenance and safety. Arc flash injuries account for 77% of electrical injuries, with severe consequences. CRYSOUND helps prevent such injuries by enabling maintenance personnel to take action quickly. The CRYSOUND Acoustic Imager, empowering electrical reliability.